We're here at Unite Co, and we're going to find out how Beelier, Brother and Whitehouse Machine Tools are helping this young company export components all around the world.
It's incredibly fast. It's you got to be careful setting it. You don't want to crash it because it is so fast, you can't keep up with it.
Andrew, thanks for the invite to Unite Bike today. Can you tell us about this young dynamic company, please?
Yeah, so we manufacture bike components. It's something I've always dreamt of doing. My dad had his own engineering business and I used to race a lot as a child, and yeah, 20 years down the line I find myself in a position where I can actually do it.
So this was a dream you as a kid, I guess. You want to make bike parts?
Yeah, I mean, my dad had his own engineering business, like I said, and from the age of literally 14, I was at his factory, helping out, doing all these little bits. So you start to learn how to make stuff, and then you start to ride, and you kind of, naturally they come together.
Mm-hmm. So you say you're 2 years old now, so you're only 2 years into the journey, but looking around, you've got some unbelievable technology here. So maybe tell us about your competences and what machines you've got here.
Yeah, so we purchased the Brother about almost 12 months ago now, and we predominantly manufacture the stems and the pedals on this machine. So this was our first 5-axis machine that I bought.
And what does this machine offer you?
So one, speed. It's an incredibly fast machine. It's got a real compact footprint. We can machine the stem in 24 minutes. Previously, one, we couldn't machine it because we didn't have a 5-axis, and two, the quality and the speed it offers is just unbelievable, especially with the robot loading cell on it.
How did they help you with the installation?
So Whitehouse integrated the whole robot. They made it really easy. They made it talk to the machine, open the door, close the door. They couldn't have made it any easier. They literally delivered the machine with everything kind of working. So.
Mm-hmm. And when we talk about Brother machines, we quite often talk about the speed, reliability, tool change time, things like this. What's your experience been here at Unite?
So it's incredibly fast. It's you got to be careful setting it. You don't want to crash it because it is so fast, you can't keep up with it. But yeah, it's this machine has run 24 hours, 6 days a week consistently since it's come here, and it still works.
Mm-hmm. And when we look at the components, some of these are very intricate. So presumably, it copes with that as well. Yeah,
so we have a lot of 3D machining. The high spindle speed and the high feed makes it considerably quicker. But yeah, it's the quality of the part was far better than what we were getting off our machine before.
Mm-hmm. And obviously you're a new company, so we've got a fairly small building here. Yep. Just the footprint of this machine is astonishing.
Yes, no, it's tiny. It's space is a premium, rents are going up and up and up, and something that's this small, but also it's considerably better on electricity usage than, say, a large VMC. So again, anything that saves money is a positive.
Yeah, previously that would have been probably an oversight, wouldn't it, energy consumption, whereas we know what's happening in the world at the moment with energy prices and that possibly never go back down. So that's really important, certainly for a startup.
Oh, definitely, yeah. I mean, it's, you said a lot of people don't really think about it, and then it's crucial, really. We can machine stuff quick, so if the machine's not on, it's not using electricity as well.
And you mentioned to me earlier about the tools. Just tell us about, obviously we've got 20 tools in here, but you can preset loads.
Yeah, so you have 20 physical tools in the machine. We have more tools on that for certain jobs, but you can have them set off the machine on a different tool number. So when you come to run a different program, you can call, say, a T40, and you have to change a setting in the machine, but you can then change tools in about 20 seconds. It's very safe, doesn't crash.
And here you're predominantly milling, but you've got a Beelier as well. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we, as you said, predominantly our components are milled, but there is a few turn sub-components. Turning was one of our final kind of like subcontract costs that was quite high, so we bought the Beelier to bring all these in-house.
So yeah, this is your Beelier. What does it offer you?
Yeah, so I mean, it's a simple, powerful, sturdy lathe. It can hold tight tolerances, it can machine parts consistently. Again, since we've had this machine, it's ran, I wouldn't say 24 hours, but it's ran for a good 5 to 6 hours unmanned overnight most days.
And what components do you make on here?
So our pedal axles is one of the main ones, and also this is a new product for us, is a crank axle, so it's got some milling on the end as well, and yeah, that's done in one operation on here.
Yeah, so obviously we need speed and we need accuracy, similar to the Brother, but this is the turning equivalent, I guess.
Yeah, it is, and I mean, it just works, it just chugs out, and it just keeps making parts, so I can't complain.
And we've got a Fanuc Control.
Yeah, so it's Fanuc Control, really easy to program. Yeah, you can literally program it in minutes.
So this is the B620YS.
Yep.
You know, what is the specification of the machine?
So it's got an 80mm bore, Y-axis, but a proper Y-axis. 2 spindles, so we can work on the sub and the main. Yeah, it's bar fed, it's got driven tools. We can go up to 10,000 RPM on the driven tools as well, with some high-rated live tools.
What I'm learning here from you, Knight, you want these parts off as quick as you can, don't you? You're trying to be as efficient as possible.
Yeah, so we want short changeover time and low cycle time, and this delivers in both parts. It's a simple machine. So.
And when we look at both of these machine tools, again, you're a young startup company. Presumably, you need a little bit of help when these machines hit the ground. How did that work?
No. So I mean, Pete obviously recently started at Whitehouse, and he's been great help for me. He's definitely been key in getting the machines on the floor, getting the finance, and also with the Beelier. I haven't used a lathe for about 5 or 6 years, so the training was well needed. And this actually came running on the pedal axle, which was set up by themselves. So, yeah, and the training's been great.